These long, needle-like things on the grass are called awns. They look like a thread and needle often. And this grass is called 3-awn grass, Aristida purpurea. And it's another really cool grass. It's all over right here. This is the fruit that has formed. If I just kind of tug on it, you can see, oh, there it goes. See those, each one, those are fruits that formed from flowers in the spring. And grass is wind pollinated. So another cool one. There it is in the distance, right in the foreground here. It's so pretty. It's a really pretty grass. I love those long awns. Oh, so pretty.